Hi, I'm Dr. Greg Nestor, and I'd like to tell you about a new medical procedure for male sexual dysfunction called the P-Shot, or Priapus shot. Deb and I have just completed our training with the founder of the P-Shot, Dr. Charles Runnels, and are now certified and licensed to perform the P-Shot. The P-Shot, or Priapus shot, is a natural method for increasing male sexual function without the need for drugs or invasive surgery. It can be used in patients who have sexual dysfunction secondary to prostate enlargement, prostate cancer, various surgeries, medication side effects, diabetes, and even in Peyronie's disease. By utilizing the P-Shot, men can improve their sexual performance through increased libido, greater size, more stamina, stronger erections, and more intense orgasms. Patients currently using medications for erectile dysfunction may no longer need medication, or only a reduced dose to restore erectile function. Most patients receiving the P-Shot experience an increase of between 10 and 20% in both penis length and girth, provided increased confidence and a more enhanced sexual experience. The procedure for the P-Shot begins with a medical professional drawing a blood sample. The blood is then centrifuged to obtain the platelet-rich plasma, or the PRP portion of the blood. The PRP contains growth factors and active proteins which we activate with calcium, and then we inject it back into the patient's penis. This causes a potent stem cell response that calls new and regenerative healing cells into the tissues of the penis. This all works to increase collagen, fat, and new blood vessel formation, which all contribute to an increased blood flow into the penis, resulting in a harder, stronger, larger erection, increased libido, and increased sensation, as well as making the penis appear more youthful. It's done right here in the office. It takes about 15 to 30 minutes. Since a local anesthetic cream is used, there is very little pain or discomfort during the procedure. The expected benefits from the P-Shot procedure include a natural alternative to prescription medications or surgery, healthier organ due to increased circulation, better quality erections, heightened pleasure and sensation, and the advantages to the P-Shot treatment is that the procedure is done right here in the office, it takes less than 15 minutes, virtually no discomfort or pain, and there's little or no downtime. If you'd like to learn more about the P-Shot or the O-Shot for female sexual dysfunction and urinary incontinence, contact my office at the Medical Center of Body Rejuvenation in St. Petersburg, Florida, 727-547-8446. Thank you.